So let's get into cleaning this. That's how I clean my board. Take everything off that I need. The shred lights are filthy. Alright, it's all dusty. Just run these things on and get the dust off. Probably get a microfiber towel. Just clean it. I'll probably clean them with water later. I would use a brush. Go from the dollar store or get one of the toilet ones. They're useful. And get one of those stiffer ones. And just one of those. And check for cracks, if any cracks. Alright. The other side. By the way, on this Onsra, I changed one of them to a 98. Just this one. It gives it a little bit more stability at higher speeds, but you can still carve with it. In San Jose, where I live, we don't have perfect roads, so that is needed. Alright. After that's done, we get this air pressure. And we just blast this whole thing. Wait, let's try to get this as much as we can as well. I don't inhale any of that stuff. Bad. Alright. Yep, and just finish it off. I use it again. That was stopping. I'll do it again. Doesn't make sense. So we'll just do it. You want to look in there, see if there's any rocks in between the belts too. So yeah, that one looks pretty good. And look at these things getting damaged. These teeth and rocks. So you want to look in there. See how the belt looks really good in there. Make sure this is mounted properly. And that's it, man. Cleaning is done. Charging port. Clean. And that is it. See how like this is bad? You just scrub it off. table. I'm just gonna get a wet towel, clean this off. These are short lights. And that is it. Board's clean again. Everything looks good from back here. Belt tension's still good. Actually, this might be too tight. Yeah, this one's fine. Yeah. Alright, that's it.